So, interesting enough, I've got trades on top of trades. That's just how it goes. You know, if you stay in the game and you don't give up, even after suffering a couple of bad losses, you can still end up with the win. I've got tons of opportunity here. Let's go through it. USDJPY, playing a pullback here. I don't know if that's actually going to happen. We'll see. This isn't the best trade. I might take this one away, actually, now I'm looking at it. But there's more. But wait, there's more. USDCHF, this is my favorite right now that I'm waiting to kind of queue up. So much confluence right there at that 382 level with the EMAs. We're going past our pivot, that's fine, but I'm trading off of the 382 and all the EMAs. And I think I'm going to be able to make a quick little tidy profit. I got it at 1.88 right now. We'll see if it has legs. I'm not sure on this one. I think I adjusted it so that I stopped right before the 50 EMA on the daily. I did. I know myself pretty well. All right, cool. NZD, USD, nothing here. NZDCAD, looking for a pullback, drop in, and then take this up to about the 50 EMA. That's good for 1.38. This is an automated trade as well, so I'm excited about that. Euro USD, been pretty excited about this pair and possibly trading at 1.72. Huge stop loss, so I got a lot of room to travel there. We'll see if it pulls back and does what we want it to. Intraday charts look beautiful, and my daily chart gives me a good profit target well before the 50 becomes any kind of a factor. So I'm going to be sitting right on top when I trigger here, right on top of the 50 EMA for the 4 hour, and then on top of the 200 for the 1 hour, and the 50 coming up to support it as well. If I get triggered into this, I think that that 382 level is a very, very good profit target for me. EURCHF, I really, really like this trade, depending on if we actually get in at the key level. This is a key level I drew in earlier when I was going over the Euro pairs. I noticed that we just kind of bottomed out here, and that we've had several touches in the past, in 2017 here, but it's like a low that hasn't been reached in a very, very long time. So yes, I do believe we're going to go higher. I might have missed this first entry, which is fine. You guys noticed this shakeout pattern from the CHF-JPY. If not, go back to my CHF-JPY video and you'll notice this. And maybe I'll link it to this video. We'll see. Anyways, I think there's an opportunity to go in. I don't know if we're going to pull back that drastically to the key level. I actually kind of doubt it. But if we do, I'm going to set myself up to really win big here. We'll see how it works out. And even if it doesn't trigger all the way that low, I'm definitely going to be looking this week to get into an intraday entry here. EUROJPY, I was considering this, and then I had second thoughts because of this 50 EMA on the 4 hour. Even if I get triggered in here at the pivot area, I'll have to fight through that, and I don't want to do that. So decided to sit that out. EURCAD, I like this one because of the stair step. Very beautiful stair steps, price action. So I'm going to look for that pullback beautifully, and then we're going to play this all the way up to the pivot area, and worst case scenario, I'll play it up to 382. But notice that if we get triggered in at the blue line, we have so much dynamic support coming in to kind of cradle price action. I really, really like that. Nothing on GBP, AUD, CADJPY, nothing. CADCHF, this is something that I'm looking at as well, and I think this one's just a play off of the pivot. Yeah, pretty straightforward. I wasn't going to trade this. I still might not trade this. I might take this off the table, because I really only want to have 3 trades going at any given time, or the possibility for 3 trades at any given time, because about as much as I can feel like I'm not being negligent. Yeah, but this is the same story. 618. I got a pivot. I got two exponential moving averages. Not a bad entry. Not a bad way to bet 1%. Anyway, so let's look at it again. I got USDJPY. I got USDCHF, which I feel really good about. That's 2. NZDCAD, EURUSD 4, EURCHF 5, EURCAD 6, and then CADCHF 7. 7 trades. That's a lot. Only 3 of them are going to get triggered in. If I had to remove, I'm just going to actually ride all these out and just see which ones trigger first. And the ones that trigger first are the ones I'll be in. Because I don't want to pick. I really don't. I feel strong about all of them. I feel strong enough to risk 1% on all of them. So, alright. I'll catch you guys soon.